Welcome to our lesson about creating a derived sketch. Let's select the entities we'll use to create the derived sketch. I'm going to select Sketch 2, and I'll control and select this face. Let's go to Insert on the main menu, scroll to Derived Sketch. In the Feature Manager's design tree, we now see Sketch 3, and the word Derived is added to the node. We do remain in sketch editing mode, as you see in the status bar. However, most of my sketch tools are grayed out in the Command Manager, and that's because we can't edit a derived sketch. However, we can reposition a derived sketch. If I try to select this line and delete it, SOLIDWORKS lets me know I can't delete sketch entities from a derived sketch. OK. Let's activate the Smart Dimension tool, and we'll just accept the default values here. OK. As you see, the sketch is black and fully defined, so let's exit. Activate the Extrude command, reverse the extrusion, distance 10 millimeters, let's accept. Basically, a derived sketch is linked to the original sketch. Let's create one more derived sketch. Once again, I'm going to pre-select the entities that I'd like to use for my derived sketch. Sketch 2. Control select this face, Insert, Derived Sketch. And let's position it. Let's make it 10 millimeters. OK. Let's add one more dimension. Let's say 40 millimeters. Accept. And let's exit the sketch. Let's edit our original sketch as well. Right-click, Edit Sketch. Let's make it 25 millimeters, for example. OK. And exit the sketch. And the changes are applied to the derived sketch as well. To underive the sketch, just right-click on the node in the design tree and select Underive. Now let's right-click and edit. OK. Accept and exit. And this concludes our lesson about creating derived sketches.